Hi friends who live on the internet. I'm sure I look like a hot mess, and that's because I am. Yesterday, this video is going to be about my Hobbii yarn unboxing. But we live in the Eastern Plains of Colorado, and we got slammed by that blizzard. Our power was out for many hours overnight. I didn't sleep hardly at all, trying to make sure all the pets and reptiles and people stayed warm, and trying to figure out contingency plans in case. No, Hugh, there's no school today. Trying to figure out what we were gonna do if our power didn't come back. There's Hugh. He was taking a nap here because nobody really slept very well last night. But anyway, my husband and I just dug our daughter's car out. They want her to go to work, so she's on her way. Hopefully she makes it completely safely. What, Hugh?
My birthday was last week on Thursday.
Oh yeah, Hugh's birthday was last week, and we had that party. But anyway, so now that I luckily we didn't get the drifting that some places got. I read from some firefighters and stuff that there were some places with 6 to 8 foot drifts in the roads. So we don't have that, and we do have a highway that's open that she can take to work, but the interstate is closed. In fact, most of the interstates in Colorado are closed. But anyway, so yesterday I had taken this video, and then I started uploading it, and we lost power and everything shut down before it got uploaded. So just a little update. We're okay. Everything's okay. Our power is back. Thank goodness for the linemen and women who go out and risk themselves in this kind of weather to give us our electricity back. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy my Hobbii unboxing, and I will talk to you guys later. I didn't even get any crocheting done during the blizzard because I was too busy trying to make sure all of the cold-blooded creatures that I have stayed warm. So anyway, all right, bye. Bye. Hugh says bye. Hey everybody, friends who live on the internet. Sorry if it's loud. Everybody is home today. We are in a blizzard warning. Apparently there is a bomb cyclone over us. There's right now, it's basically thunderstorming outside right now, and then it's going to turn into snow, and we're going to be, they said on the radio, our local meteorologist said between 8 and 18 inches of snow, and winds 65 to 75 miles per hour. So I might be gone. They say expect power outages, so I might be gone for a few days. Yesterday at my local crochet group, there's a lot of elderly women in there, and one in particular was talking about this bomb cyclone that they had in spring of 1977, and how bad it was, and it, like, the snow drifted over 10 feet and knocked the power lines down like twigs, and they were out of power they didn't have power for 10 days, and wow, it sounded not pleasant. So anyway, I'm supposed to expect power outages, which makes me nervous, but we'll do our best. Here's the reason I'm here. I ordered Hobbii yarn, and it just came today. And when I asked my husband, can I spend $80 on Hobbii yarn? He said, well, you have to make an unboxing video of it. And I said, okay, I could do that. So here I am making my unboxing video, even though we're in the middle of a major warning and weather event. So anyway, hopefully, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, so hopefully we'll keep power through my whole thing. But anyway, here's the first one. Oh, I love that they have these on the end. Now this is basically thread weight. I mean, my plan is to make lacy, like a tablecloth or shawls that are super lacy and light with these. This is a twister, 55% cotton, 45% acrylic. They are soft. It says 3.5 millimeter needle size, so that tells you how tiny it is. It's 250 grams, which comes out to be 1,093 yards. So this one is, does it have its name? No, it just has the color number. So I'll tell you the names later. This one's beautiful. This one has all the teals in it. Here's the other side. Ooh, so pretty. Ah, I'm loving these. Okay, now I bought some Twister plain solid colors as well that match up with some of the other colors. They were cheaper for one thing, and they have a good amount of yardage in them, but they match up. So if I'm making a big tablecloth for the fair, which is my plan with at least one of these, I have plenty of yarn. So here's the next. Oh, look how pretty they are. Oh my goodness. You might hear the wind raging outside. I definitely hear it raging outside. And this one's even darker with the purple in the middle and black on the outside. And then I've got two solid teals, which will go with this one and or this one to make bigger things. Okay, so let me look at the paper. Cross your fingers that I'm going to keep my power, because if our power goes out, it's going to be difficult to keep all of my reptiles warm, and that's not good. So I might end up with reptiles all over in my shirt and stuff, trying to keep them warm with my body heat. Okay, so oh, hold on here. Oh, I guess they don't have another paper in this one. Okay, so let's see. This one I believe is Aruba. And is this one Galaxy Glaze? Uh-oh, I don't know. That one might be Galaxy Glaze. I don't know. Never mind. I won't tell you the names because I don't know the names because they didn't put all the names on the packing slip. But here's my 4 twisters that I got. Ooh, I'm liking them. And then my solid colors to go with those 4. So it's expensive. It was on sale. It was an expensive buy. But I am pleased. I think that's going to turn out really nice. I'm thinking of doing a big tablecloth, lacy tablecloth to enter in the fair with this one, you know, starting in the middle with probably a pineapple pattern. And then this would continue on the outside, which is really nice because like with the mandala, once you get to the end of where everything, all the colors are, then you have to start over with other colors, which even if you get the same skein or the same cake, then you're starting with the colors and starting over again. And so it doesn't look quite the same. So I want to go all the way with this and then add this if I need it to get bigger. So anyway, that's kind of my plan with that. These others, I didn't really have a perfect plan, but they're so beautiful, I couldn't leave them. They needed to come home with me, people. Look at that. It needed to come live with me. And our blizzard and our reptiles. So anyway, all right. It sounds like the rain is quieting down, which means the snow might be starting. So we'll just see what happens. But that's pretty much everything I had. Oh, they sent me a free gift, which is an electronic row counter. And one of my friends said she's been using it for the beginning chain, when she has to chain a lot on a beginning chain, because it goes on your finger and then you just push the button and it goes up number by number. And then you don't lose where you were. So that's pretty cool, actually. And that was a free gift from Hobbii. I think that's it. That's all that I have in these bags. It looks like they gave me 2 little candies that say Hobbii. So yeah, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get started on these. But right now I'm in the middle of a different project that I can't show right now, just in case my friend that I'm making it for is watching. I don't think she watches in general, but yeah, it was her birthday this month, so I'm making it for a birthday present. Anyway, all right, well, I guess that's it for now, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.